That is exactly what we have been all hoping for, that things become more orderly, na maging maayos ang takbo ng Senado. Dahil kung titignan ninyo, yung mga ibang priority bills na sinabi natin kung bakit ang special session ay dahil doon. First of all, talagang priority bill yun. That was identified months ago sa LEDAC. Talagang nandiyo na yun. Pangalawa, lahat doon tapos na sa House. So, kailangan kunin na ng Senado para maipasa na, para maging batas. And that's what we were very worried about. And of course, the appointments, the FA, yung appointments ng mga general, all of those just came to a dead stop nung nagkakagulo. Nung hindi pumapasok yung mga senador, hindi sila nagsesession, you all know, I don't need to go through that. Alam ng lahat ng tao kung ano yung nangyari. Sana naman sa paglagay ni Senator Sherwin bilang SP ay mabalik naman tayo sa normal na patakbo ng Senado. And that they can take care of the business of government, the business of legislation, and all these necessary legislation that we listed to show that our priority. Some of them are from before, some of them are new in response to the oil crisis in the Middle East. Iba-iba, pero lahat kailangan. At lahat ng kailangan na ngayon. So, with those two elements, na tapos na sa House, inaantay na lang ang Senado. Pangalawa, nasa gitna tayo ng oil crisis, na kailangan ng mga batas na yan, ay sana naman mapag-aralan na nila, madiskusyonan na nila na mabuti, and we can proceed with the normal conduct of governance.